what's going on, guys? Today we're going to show you the large cap stocks you need to buy in January. It's going to be a great video. We got some exciting opportunities. We're going to make quick money on these picks. They're really going to bolster us up, even to outperform inflation and interest rates that are rising in the near future. Our picks are going to make sure your portfolio stays in the green, even when interest rates rise. It's going to be more than valuable to you. So make sure to subscribe to us to get in the green every single day. Before we get into our picks, we wanted to let you guys know about our Patreon. If you subscribe for just $5, we send you the technical analysis on the screen. It's an incredible value. We make hundreds of dollars from it every single month. And if you make hundreds, obviously the best investment you're gonna have. So make sure to check us out on Patreon. The link's in the description. For those of you that are already subscribers, first of all, thank you very much. But second of all, we've noticed that the emails sometimes go to spam. So make sure to be checking that every single morning. We do send it every morning. So if you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam, mark it not as spam, and you'll get it to your inbox. Getting right into our content. Our first pick for you guys today is ICE. We really like this play. It's a market infrastructure play. It even includes the New York Stock Exchange, some of the biggest infrastructure that they need for that. And so if you think about it, the New York Stock Exchange can't even prosper without ICE. So ICE is a really good opportunity for you to buy into your long-term portfolio. So make sure to add this one to your play. We like this, and we have a price target at 158 on it. Remember, guys, timing the market's always incredibly important. And it's just a very key skill that we need to have in our everyday trading and when we're making key investments. Right now, if you were subscribed to our technical analysis, you would have seen that we are showing how the technical analysis is actually showing how small caps are going to outperform the S&P 500 and blue chip stocks. This video is dedicated to blue chip stocks, but actually our technical analysis is showing you that small caps are likely to outperform. And so when we're talking about buying specifically in January, we're actually going to be buying more small caps than we are going to be buying large caps, just due to the timing on the market. So make sure you're keeping aware of that when you're buying these picks. We make this video fourth Sunday of every month, so we're always going to tell you every month what large cap stocks to buy, but make sure you're aware of this and subscribe to our technical analysis if you always want to be aware of what to buy and have the right timing in the market. Getting into our next pick. This next play is incredibly highly recommended, so make sure to check this out. We're recommending ROP, and we're going to break down why we highly recommend it so much, and it is largely due to how they diversify within their own company, their portfolio. They buy high-tech companies, and what they do is diversify among tech companies. One of their niches in identifying what is a good tech company for them to buy is high cash flow. And the importance of high cash flow in markets is that when we see likely red days or trends down, the high cash flow businesses often thrive. In the near future here, we're going to see interest rates rise because of inflation. If you haven't looked into that or heard more about that, you definitely need to look into that as an investor. But long story short, with interest rates scheduled to rise very soon in the next year, we want to have this as part of our long-term portfolio. It's very important. They're very focused on getting high cash flow tech companies a part of their stock, and that's why it's such an attractive buy, because their high cash flow is going to stay in the green even though the market's in a downtrend. So this is really important that you buy. ROP, our price target is 550. We're going to rapid fire some at you. We have ServiceNow. We like this one. We have a price target of 750 on it. C Limited is a part of so many fund managers' portfolios. Basically, if you went to a financial advisor, they build you a portfolio or a fund that's going to fit your needs. C Limited is a part of a ton of those funds, so a lot of financial advisors are in this one. So check out C Limited. Three more stocks that you really should buy, especially Nvidia. We highly recommend this one. It's at a strong dip, just on a pace to reach all-time highs. Definitely buy Nvidia in January. Great time to buy it. Also AMD, we like AMD. It's got a lot of potential for it for the same reasons as Nvidia. And TMUS is a nice play as well. We have a price target on TMUS at 158. As we mentioned early in the video, in January, we're suspecting that small caps are going to outperform. And so here's the technical analysis we sent out to our Patreon subscribers, just so you guys could see. Because we're showing you this, I would appreciate if you gave us a thumbs up. Basically, long story short, this is showing us that small caps are likely to outperform in January. So make sure you're aware that when you're buying any one of these picks, if you're a long-term investor and looking for stuff to buy in January that you're going to hold long-term, definitely buy these picks that we mentioned in this video. If you're a day trader, swing trader, we really want to focus on small caps. As long as your risk tolerance allows for it, small cap stocks are riskier. Lastly, in the beginning of 2022, don't be surprised if these small cap stocks perform like JP Morgan, Ford, Berkshire Hathaway, Bank of America, and even the ETF for small caps IWM outperforms in January, make sure to keep these on your watch list, and we'll see you in our next video next Sunday with our cryptos to buy for this month. And we'll see you tomorrow morning for our daily 1-minute upload. If you watched this far, we appreciate all the support. Like, a comment, and a subscribe would be great. We also have our links for our Patreon, KuCoin, things like that in the description. If you want to support us, that'd be much appreciated. Long story short, we'll see you tomorrow for our 1-minute daily upload.